So one of the things that I've always loved are beautiful tiered stands when it comes to displaying things in the kitchen or really anywhere else in the house. And this one is beautiful. It's a white ceramic. It has this lace cutout design on all three levels. This one comes in pieces and you put it together. It's not complicated, but there were not instructions in our box. So I want to let you know when you get this, we're going to have instructions on this page. And I'm hopefully going to tell you that in the chat again tonight when you see it. But I love this because it's something that you can use to display a lot of different things. You could put beautiful fresh fruits on here if you're having people over, like large things of grapes in the bottom, and you could do orange wedges and, you know, strawberries on the top, and it would be stunning and colorful. I love it with the cupcakes. I think the cupcakes are one of the easiest things if you are, you know, having any kind of shower, baby shower, wedding shower, whatever, at your house. I put these little cookies at the top because I think cookies are a really easy thing to display on this one. And I also think that this is something that a lot of women use to just put their jewelry on. So they'll literally put it in their bedroom on their dresser, and put their jewelry on it because that's their favorite jewelry that they like to wear. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with it. But it's beautifully done. It's about 16 inches tall, about 12 inches wide at the widest point. It's obviously three levels. It's just a timeless, gorgeous piece. And I think it's one of those pieces that you'll love to use in a million different ways.